record this lecture and I will upload it once we finish it, okay? So as you guys know, online lectures and physical lectures, they're going to be a little bit different. For 1 hour lecture, physical lectures is equivalent to 50 minutes online, okay? So we try to shorten our lecture because at the end of the day, I don't think we can really focus if we go online too long, right? Okay. And what else? For the attendance, how are the other courses doing? They're taking your attendance through Bioprocess? Okay, so if through Bioprocess, I will do the same. I guess you guys know how to tip your own attendance, right, for the week. Okay. And I think I know most of you guys here, I think you guys are the final year students. So while we are here, I want to ask you, how about your FYP? Everything is okay?
Okay, I just changed my title.
You're still changing your title? We already started the semester, but as long as you can finish the FYP, you'll be
You need
okay.
to change the method.
Okay, there's a problem with FYP, especially during this time, right? We will do online presentation soon for FYP. And I think all of you guys now are doing the teacher review. So I hope by now, at least you should have already finished the introduction part of FYP, all right? So Dr. What's her name? Who is the other FYP coordinator?
How?
Dr. Hawa. Dr. Hawa will meet with you guys once before the presentation and she will tell you what you need to do, all right? So I think that's all, but we're supposed to have 2 industrial visit for this course.
Doktor,
Yeah.
Kil tak boleh masuk lagi.
Oh, ada yang admit. Okay, wait. Okay, you guys are in? Okay, everyone is in, Okay, we're supposed to have 2 industrial visits, but since we are doing online lectures now, we're not going to have the industrial visit. Okay, last time we went to the Biotechnology Center, close to IIST Mall, and also the cow farm in Pertanian. Do you know what is the milk? What is the name of the milk? Susu apa yang kita minum?
Farm fresh.
Farm fresh. So we went to Farm Fresh, okay? So because we don't have this 2 industrial visit, we're going to do just an assignment probably. And I will talk with Dr. Hanan about the other assessments. That one I will update you guys in the Bioprocess, or probably I will send the information through WhatsApp group. Okay, so we go through the introductory lecture very fast. How to share the screen? Okay. I see. So can you see my desktop?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doktor.
Doctor.
Okay. So, oh, this is not the notes. Which one? Okay, somebody is still not in. Okay, can you see the notes now? Okay, for today, there is nothing much. Actually, this note I took from Professor Hasana. This is a postgraduate course from last semester. But we actually do, sorry? We actually do have this course for the undergraduate as well. This course is actually for me, very simple and easy, very straightforward. For example, I can compare this course between biochemistry and microbiology, right? For biochemistry, you need me to give you lecture so you can understand, right? But for microbiology, actually you can read it by yourself. You don't have to have a teacher to really understand all the stuff in microbiology. So this is the comparison. So for food bioprocessing, you actually can read it by yourself. It's very easy to understand. So I'm going to just assist you a little bit. Okay, and for the first week, we're just going through all this basic stuff. Okay, the first one, I will be teaching you for half of the semester. Okay, most of it is about enzymes, and then Dr. Hana will take over and he will teach you about fermentation. Okay, for example, the bioreactor that we use, the starter culture, the type of fermentation that we have, and so on. Okay, so this is the course synopsis. Basically, yeah, for the first part of the semester, you will learn about the enzyme. So we will have the, I cannot see lah. Can I make it bigger? Okay, sorry. Okay, so we will have evolution biocatalyst in development is more about history, classes and properties of enzyme you learn in biochemistry. Okay, the 6 classes of enzymes, sources of commercial enzyme, basically just from animal, microorganism, and also plant. Driving factors, application of biocatalyst is more about how the government can help you to use enzyme in your industry and why you want to use enzyme in industry and so on. Reaction of enzymes, for example, the one that you learned so far, probably like lipase, pectinase, and so on. Important of the organism in fermentation. Type of fermentation is fermentation by Dr. Hanan and so on. Okay, so the content should be about the same. Okay, so this is from the course synopsis. So we want you to be able to explain and discuss the importance of enzymes. C4, I think you guys are familiar with this by now. C4 is cognitive, means that this should be higher than C1. C1 is just listening and understanding, but C4 is more listening, understanding, and applying in your life, something like that. Okay? So C5 is, of course, big, higher than C4. And then working in group is A4 is effective, means that you need to do your team skill, your moral, and so on. Okay, you also have CTPS, critical thinking, problem solving. TS is team skill, I think, and LL is lifelong learning. So this is nothing much, just introduction. Okay, so we're supposed to have PO1 until PO7 for this course. PO7 is lifelong learning. PO5 is team skill, means that you need to do assignments in a team. But because we have online lectures now, I'm not very sure how we're going to conduct this one. I will ask Dr. Hanan. And then CTPS is more like critical thinking, problem solving, means more challenging questions compared to PO1. Okay, we won't have PO2, which is lab. Okay, this class is only lectures. Okay, this is just the same. This is probably not applicable anymore since we are doing online classes. Okay, so basically this is your assessment. This is from last year. You will have both tests, test 1 and 2, contributed 15%. Industrial visit will be changed to assignment. Final examination is 50%, and probably we'll have one online presentation, okay, another 10%. Okay, I think this is the end for the introductory lecture. I suppose the next time we meet is next week. Is that okay?
Okay, Doctor.
For the other lectures, how many times you going to meet every week? Is it twice or once?
Ada yang once, ada yang twice, doktor.
Okay, on your timetable, usually 3 times per week.
2 and 1. Two class per week. Two.
So should we meet once or twice a week?
Twice. Tomorrow we have
You want to meet twice a week?
Twice.
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 Twice boleh lah.
So tomorrow as
Tuesday 8 to 10, Wednesday 8 to 9. Tomorrow is 1 hour class.
8 to 9. Tomorrow 8 to 9 eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we make it 9 to 10?
9 to 10.
Do you guys have class 9 to 10?
No.
No.
No class.
Can we make
Yeah.
it 9 to 10 on Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes.
Today is 9 to 10. Tomorrow is 9 to 10 as well. Okay, so
Okay.
you don't have to wake up too early because I'm staying at home anyway. All right, so both 9 to 10. So today there's nothing, just introduction. Tomorrow we will learn about what is tomorrow about. Let me check the notes first.
Doctor, someone cannot tomorrow 9 a.m.
Who cannot join tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yanja.
Just one.
We have meeting with her SB.
So just one person or others cannot join as well? Anybody else cannot join? So for Yanja, can you watch the recorded lectures since the other can join?
Can, doctor.
Okay. So you just let me know because online can be more flexible. So if most of you cannot join, then we can probably have another session. Are you guys okay doing at night? This is in case everybody is busy.
No.
Not really.
Malam line slow sikit, Doktor.
Macam mana?
Malam line slow sikit.
Tak apa-apa, download movie ke apa?
Oh.
Probably after Asar, after 5?
Tu time nak masak, doktor.
Kalau masak kat rumah ni, aduh.
Multitasking, Doktor, kat rumah.
But this is just in case everybody is not available on this time lah. So we prefer petang lah compared to night kan. We can maybe do at 4 if you guys are free. Okay. Boleh tak? Okay, so for
When the time comes, we discuss later, doctor.
okay. So for
Just
now,
in case.
9 to 10 for today.
Yeah, 9 to 10.
All right. Sorry, I'm not very used to online lectures because I cannot see you talking, so I keep cutting.
Oh, do you want us to open the camera?
Sorry?
Do you want us to open the camera?
Is it going to be slower if you turn on the camera?
Maybe some.
Can you guys try turning it now?
Okay.
Yeah. So we see whether the connection is okay or not. If we have everybody online. Okay, everybody try turning on your camera right now. Siapa yang berselubung ni?
Even.
Sejuk eh? Okay, Fakihah, Nina, Khairina, Firdaus, Shanis, mana dia? Okay, so far, do you experience any lag from your side?
Oh,
Okay,
Okay.
so maybe we can turn on the
Thank
camera.
you, Doctor.
All right, because for our faculty during meeting, we usually turn off the camera because Webex becoming very slow if everyone is online. And if you turn off the camera, sometimes I go watch TV, I go cooking, because somebody can see what I'm doing, right? Okay, so I think it's better for us to turn on the camera, right? See, some people are missing right now, probably because they go somewhere. Okay, so starting tomorrow, we turn on the camera and probably you can, how you're going to speak? Well, when I'm speaking, for example, if you want to ask question, you need to press anything.
Yeah, to unmute.
Or you just speak like that. I'm using
What
this.
do you mean?
we just interrupt.
Or just interrupt, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it okay for you?
Okay. Because this is the first time I conduct the online lecture with you guys. So you guys are the lucky ones.
So can we just interrupt if we have any question?
Okay. So Shanice, no camera is okay. Next time you can find a camera. Okay, tomorrow 9 to 10. Is there anything else? I will upload the next lecture notes today before 12 o'clock. Okay. So if there is nothing else, okay, should we stop here? Can we stop here?
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, so I see you guys at.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.